Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kalong shisha ka jingsngo sarong ya ka jilla Meghalaya bat kumju ru ya ka ri India hi barok away. Hakaba ka way ka thay Samla na ka jilla Meghalaya. Haka sien Nyngkong kala kalalong kum ka Taekwondo International Referee. Ya ka ni ka Samla la tip kerteng kum ka Narzary. Kabasyong basa halum karkongor madanrating Block B. Kala pendep ya ka 128th Kyorugi International Seminar. But ya ka 55th International Pomsei Seminar Exam 2024 ha Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Kasamla Pinky nadu bakadang red kalarung siya kajingilek kai Taekwondo House nem khat kandai spak kandai pukandai. But kam hadien kalayilek kai no naga Sports Authority of India Meghalaya hadu bakandai yo 4th Dan Black Belt. Kani kasamla kalawan ra ru shibun ki medal bat ki khusnam ya ka jela ha kapor bakadang ilek kai ban mikmat ya kari India. Habaya keren bat kabati CTV kasamla Pinky Narzary kalayathu babaro gibayakun kidon hadu shispa anriu pongut bat kani kajing yakun kamlong setia kabasuk namar bakalong tik kumbale examen UPSC. Tang henriungut na India ke balasya ajit kumki International Referee hagajing ilek kai Taekwondo. Hadien bakalat tibet bahaban ilek kai Taekwondo kasamla Pinky Narzary kala sengno daga Shillong Taekwondo Academy ban ajing hikai yakikena. Ka jaka ai jing hikai Shillong Taekwondo Academy ka don halaim kra nong rimmau. Halor ka jing job jong kasamla Pinky Narzary kikmi kikpa ki bapha yala ki khon ban sya hikai haka mentaga sengi ka khat artarik unailar kilapun kup buram yaka.
Thank you.
5, 6, 7,
ngipin ko puram ya i coach Pinky Narzary badai na po Shillong Taekwondo Association namar ba manhakani ilej po Malaysia na bantaka international referee seminar but ila shajid na pedeng shispa arpo tamngot ki referees ki balej all over the world i coach jongi nang nena Shillong ila shajid na India and ideiru i only female referee bala shajid and ngilong very happy ba kawai ganthai kami khman nang ni na po jilla jongi as an international referee.
My name is Pinky Narzary. I'm 4th and black belt and I am NSNI certified coach. Recently I have done my international referee seminar in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I have been selected from India in international level and I passed in international referee seminar. Our result was declared on 2nd August. I was there in Malaysia from 19th July till 30th of July. And it's a very big proud moment for Meghalaya that I passed, and I'm the first female from Meghalaya since from 1972 when the Taekwondo was started in Meghalaya. So I'm the first female that I can say that. The exam was very, very tough. You can say it's like passing out in UPSC exams. Out of 14 referees, some of them were refresher and we were seminar. Out of 8, only 6 of us we passed from India, 2 female and 4 male. So it was very tough for us. We did not expect, even I did not expect that I will pass. But then somehow, you know, my hard work pays, and some parents also, they prayed for me, my members, everybody. So it's all blessings and my hard works, it pays. It was, you know, I was over the moon when I saw my result. Like, it's a very big thing for me. It's a big achievement. It was my dream to become an international referee. And so I did this time, finally. And I hope after 4 years or maybe in next Olympic, I'll be doing officials over there. Hopefully I can do that. This is my first attempt in international level. So I have played international competitions. I am the medalist. But then in international level as a referee, this is my first time. And I passed in that. I joined Taekwondo in 1999. When I was 8 years old, and then I joined SAI. And from SAI, I played states, national, international level. I brought many medals for our states, especially for Meghalaya. And then after that, I started my classes. My first coaching camp was there in Brookside School, and then I started in Loreto Convent Schools and St. Edmund Schools. Currently, I'm running Shillong Taekwondo Academy. I'm the president of Shillong Taekwondo Academy. And here I have more than 50 students in my academy. And schools, it's different. It's from the school. So in academy, it's 50 plus. Yeah, not all, but some I got from our honorable CM, and some from parents who always supports me, whether it's in financially or in any, for the going of tournament. They always keep supporting me. And special thanks to our honorable CM who have been supporting me since from the day I started coaching in Taekwondo. I would say please, all the women in Meghalaya especially, this is our beloved state. We love it, isn't it? So I request all the females, please be active and do the hard work. Hard work really pays. And if you have something in your mind, in your brain that I'll do it, I'll achieve it, you can do that, which I am doing now. So this is a message for all the ladies, all the women, and especially for the young children. Please make them engage in the sports. Not only in Taekwondo, I can say all the sports are equal. So make them engage in the sports, not in Taekwondo, maybe in somebody else, something else. So let them achieve their goals. Sports is very important for everyone, I can say that.